organic way to keep plants you don't want from growing in your garden. So a weed is just a wild plant that is growing in a cultivated space. So it's really just any plant you don't want growing in your garden. So in our previous videos, we talked about how there's a lot of beneficial plants that are considered weeds. But today I want to talk to you about an invasive, very aggressive plant that I work very hard to remove from our veggie beds. So this is Bermuda grass. It is an invasive grass from across the sea. It spreads above ground and underground with these long runners and can root in almost anywhere. It also sucks a lot of nitrogen and nutrients out of the soil. So ultimately, if you do not control it, it'll choke out your vegetables and outcompete them. So Bermuda grass is very difficult to kill. So here are our organic techniques. So we are building a new in-ground bed, and we have to first get rid of the Bermuda grass. So the first thing we did was tilled the whole area. We just turned the dirt, picking up the grass and going as deep as we could, about a foot deep, to dig up as many roots as we can. Then we go through and sift out, taking out the biggest pieces of roots and throwing them in the trash. Our next step will be to flame weed. This is a flame weeder which will attach to a propane torch, and the heat from the flame will actually kill the Bermuda grass. And finally, we're going to solarize it, meaning we're going to put a tarp over top and mulch on top, and the heat from the tarp and the sun will essentially kill any remaining bits of root in the grass, like this little guy. And then once all of that is finished and we've officially killed the Bermuda grass, we're going to transplant sweet potato plugs, and sweet potatoes will help control the Bermuda grass growth. So if you have more questions about how to control weeds in an organic way, either using solarization, flame weeding, or pulling by hand, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or reach out to us through the website ecoUrbanGardens.org. Thanks so much. See you next week.